How would you like to travel the world and get paid while doing it?
And you can work from all different places like
here in Oceanside, California.
And here.
And here.
You can work here.
And here. Oh, the cart's coming.
And here. And would you also like to be able to spend more time with your friends and family?
as well as work to the point it really doesn't even feel like real work. Well, it's not as hard as you think.
Well, come with us and we'll show you what being a digital nomad is all about.
Yeah. Action. Hey, what's up, rockers? I'm Chris.
And I'm Tink. And we're the Traveling Rockstars. So just to let you know, this is possible for you to be able to do as well. Because when we first started, I was...
Dealing with a lot of health problems.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I know.
And I actually had a near-death experience in a motorcycle accident, but, you know, it was a blessing in disguise, right?
It was, because we got to spend lots more time with our friends and family and travel the world.
Yeah, we did. And do, currently.
Yeah.
Yeah, the Traveling Rockstars. It was also a struggle in this journey because there was just so much information out there. It's like information overload, plus you have your online gurus that give you constant misdirection, omitting important facts and information, and leaving you kind of high and dry.
Yeah, well, we're here to teach you how you can do it and teach you a little bit more about being a digital nomad.
And that's what it is. It's our mission to help you thrive, have a great online business, and
Help you grow and prosper and be an online entrepreneur. You can do it.
Oh yeah, and make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you know right when new episodes are coming out and be on the up and up constantly.
So what is a digital nomad exactly?
Well, what Wikipedia says is the digital nomads are a type of people who use telecom technologies to earn a living and more generally conduct their life in a nomadic manner. Such workers often work remotely from foreign countries, coffee shops, public libraries, co-working spaces, or it actually says this, recreational vehicles, RVs. That's where we're at right now.
Van life.
Yeah.
Yeah, so the different kinds of digital nomads are like us, the RV van life, traveling the world, living off your internet connection. We actually just used our cell phone service and hotspotted out from there. But then there's also people that travel the world and live like in BRBOs and B&Bs, which we have a link down below with some cool things that you can use with those. You can actually rent out your house. So if you're to travel occasionally, you can rent out your house and rent it out while you're gone and kind of pay for your own travels. Why not do that, you know? And be an entrepreneur on top of that. Make double the money.
Of course. And how to make money online. We're hearing that question all the time. We're going to go further into detail in another episode, but blog and website is the main area of focus because you can get traffic. That's what we do. Also being an entrepreneur, owning your own business, affiliate links, partnering up and getting a commission cut. Sometimes it's as much as 50-50, higher, lower variance. Everybody has their own layout. Make sure you have the right partnerships that align with what your mission is. And freelancing, that's huge in the digital nomad realm. And
I think 34% of people are doing freelance now.
34?
Yeah.
Wow. And that number's probably just going to only go up, right?
Yeah.
And obviously the beauty, the last and the main categories is going to be working remotely. That's like the highlight of it all. Any kind of short-term or even hands-on jobs.
You can even ask your own company that you work for now to let you travel the world and work remotely. And sometimes they'll agree to that, but for the most part, you have to get hired on for a job that is specifically for working remotely. But the world's changing. And in 2035, I believe, we're supposed to have over 1 billion digital nomads like us.
Of the world's population, but the reality is there are some struggles. Yeah, so sometimes things don't go to plan, right? And it just happens. I've had to actually do AV work, which is actually pretty cool and pretty fun. Construction work, help building stairs, literally building stairs and doing some roughneck stuff, as well as some music royalties that actually consistently go in. And that's my favorite, but there are some side gigs that you might have to resort to, and that is the reality.
Yeah, being an RVer, like you get to travel the world and have your family and do it. So you can have the dream. You can have a family and travel the world, which is a lot of people's concerns. So.
Yeah, and it's really anything defined as working remotely plus travel equals digital nomad, right? But it's that mindset, right? That's a huge thing. And we have some videos, some blogs that will be coming out teaching you how to prepare yourself mentally and making sure you're the right fit for it. Not everybody is set for this lifestyle. Get into the standard practices of business, social media marketing, blog writing, the website. I mean, that's the biggest areas that we push, as well as getting into coaching calls, masterminding that we actually host as well.
Yeah, if you need some help, you can always reach out to us and see if we can help you in any way to get your business started.
Yeah,
give you some direction, whatnot.
Yeah, and the best way to do that, I believe at this point for you guys, we're very involved and responsive, is just in the comments below. Reach out, just treat it like it's a IM PM, and we can have our direct communication, because we do want that relationship, and we're here again. The struggles, the misinformation, the information overload.
It took us 3 years to even make $1.
Yeah.
So, well, actually not really. We also have a resource list down below that you can check out, and it has tons of digital nomad. It's kind of extensive, so don't get overwhelmed with it. It's just an elaborate list that takes you from A to Z, everything that you could possibly need, but only what we recommend, what we've tried, what we've tested. We don't use everything at once, because that would just be bazooka. It's amounts of money. But like at one point or another, we've used every single service on there.
Yep.
And we stick to them. So they're down below, and you can check them out and have a guided path on your digital nomad entrepreneur life. It's hot in here. It's an RV.
Oh, that's fun.
We're out in the desert.
Yeah, there's a fan out of camera view that's like, I'm melting. So being a digital nomad's about having enough money for an air conditioner. Start with an air conditioner, and then we'll start talking. Today is to teach you guys a little bit about the meaning through our experience, what we define as, what Wikipedia defines as digital nomadism. We hope you can take that information with you.
And we got more to come on how to become a digital nomad. Every single video that we're going to be putting out from this point forward is going to have tons and tons of goodies and free stuff and courses for you to become a digital nomad as well.
All right, guys, thanks for coming by. Again, subscribe, comment down below if you need anything or want to have any help or support or guidance.
Always feel free to reach out to us, and rock on, Rockstars.
Yeah.
And would you also like to spend more time with your friends and family?
As well as work, but to the point it really doesn't even feel like real work. I can think. I can think. Sometimes. I can think.
I can think too.
Dude. Obviously, right now, we're working here in our RV, and...
Not obviously.
Oh, it isn't, is it?